Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in previous video we have checked the introduction of retrofit, and in this small video we will check how we can add the dependency of retrofit into our project. So let's jump onto the Android Studio and create a new project. Okay, so now we can go to downloads and we can copy this Gradle dependency and go into the build.gradle project and add new dependency here. Okay, so we need a latest version of retrofit. So to get this, let's jump onto the GitHub repository, and in the releases we can have the latest version which is released on May 20, and it's 2.9.0. One more thing that is required is the converter, JSON converter. We need to add JSON converter. So let's jump into the converters. These are all converters that retrofit support, and currently we are going with JSON. So here's a dependency for this. We will copy this and paste it here. Again, the latest version is 2.9.0, and click on sync now. Okay, we are good, and now we can create a separate method, and in here we can check whether the yeah we are good on this builder and converter factory. We need to add JSON converter factory dot create, and then we will build. Also, don't forget to add the base URL. So base URL is https github.com. It can be anything that you have. Okay, so that's all. We are done with the integration of retrofit in our project. So let's see how we can make a very simple call in the upcoming video. Thanks guys, take care and stay with our channel.